Okay, so this is quiz number 5. So Vmin is 5 volts, Vmax is 11 volts, and the duty cycle is 25, which means at 25% of the times it's 11 volts, and 75% of the time it's at 5 volts. So the V average is going to be, it's going to be 11 times, 0.25 plus 5 times 0.75, and times 0.75, and I get that is equal to 6.5 volts. On the second part, okay, so the input signal is on until this internal signal reaches green is what we're trying to emulate. And so then it's going to go high, and it's going to be on until this signal, hits that point, and it goes off, and then it'll go back on till this point, and then it goes off, and then it goes back on until this point, and then it goes off, and then it goes back on until this point, off, and then it'll go back on until these reach here, and then it goes off, and then it's going to go on until those two reach, and then it goes off, and then it'll go on until these two reach, and then it'll go off, and stays there. Okay, well, that's quiz 45.